Hello everyone. Today we will visit an old company. This company is spreading products to world-renowned companies like BYD and NGK. The factory boasts over 25,000 SQM production areas, 118 seasoned professionals, and 19 years of industry expertise. Today we will take an inside look. Okay, let's go. Hello, Rita.
Hello, Mr. Jiang. Welcome to our factory. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This way, please.
Okay.
This is our summer pad production line, where the raw materials are evenly mixed, then pressed into shapes. And then the product will be vulcanized through this non-high temperature vulcanization tunnel. We will use this cutting equipment to cut the pad shapes according to customer specifications. And you can see this is the finished product.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So what's this really for?
That is our workshop for water-resistant self-curing protection pads.
Oh, that's so good.
Let's take a look. Currently, few Chinese manufacturers can match our quality in this product.
Oh.
The first production step for the pad is rubber mixing. The entire area forms a complete production line from rubber mixing to this extrusion. Use this high temperature equipment. And you can see our workers are very high skilled. This stamp is vacuum packaged. This is our finished product.
Oh. How about daily output for this product?
The daily output can reach about 3,000 pieces, which is enough to meet our current customers' demand. We also can open additional production lines if needed.
Oh, I will try my best.
Yeah, thank you. The second floor mainly contains the production lines for cushioning tube, overhead light cover, and fire blanket. Which products are you interested in?
I'm interested in cushioning tube.
Oh, really? I will show you the cushioning tube production line. This way,
okay,
please.
let's go.
The cushioning tube process includes rubber mixing, extrusion, vulcanization, cutting, and expansion using the welded support course.
Oh, it looks pretty straightforward.
Yeah, would you like to try how to use it?
Sure.
You can pull out this white support course.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so easy.
Yeah, you're very smart. Yeah.
Thanks, Rita, showing us around the factory. It's very impressive. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you and welcome, Mr. Yang.
Okay.